what's going on? I am here to do just a little short video for you guys of this little Coach coin case that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace once again, and I got an awesome deal on it. This right here is the it's called the Coach multi-signature Rowan coin case, and it's a little bag charm. As you can see, super duper cute in the signature print. And then there's the little bottom. It actually is bigger than what I thought it was gonna be or whatever, which is, you know, that's okay, because you actually can put quite a bit of stuff in here. And I'm gonna show you guys what all fits in here. But I have been looking at this for quite some time. But every time they would have it on the Coach website, it did sell out fast. But I also didn't really want to pay the price that they was asking, so I just never really fooled with it or whatever. And so I had got on Facebook the other day, and this lady had it for sale. But this retails for $150. And y'all, I got it for $30. Indeed, because the girl said that she paid like $77 for it, so she was selling it for $30, brand new. There's nothing wrong with it. Looks brand new. There's nothing wrong with it or anything like that or whatever. And I just got it yesterday, so I just want to show this with you guys. I mean, share this with you guys. But anyway, it has a little small zip here. I don't really too much know what you can put in here, but when I did receive it, she had left let me see if I can get it out. She had left something in here. I guess it's like some eyelash glue or something like that, but that did fit in there. So if you wear eyelashes, I guess you can put some glue in there. I don't wear eyelashes, but that that's about the only thing I think you probably can fit in there. And then the inside is pretty spacious. So here's the inside of it. There aren't any little pockets or anything. It's just a little empty inside. But y'all, this is so freaking cute. So let me show you guys what all can fit in here really fast. And it's not necessarily what I'm gonna carry in here, but I'm just gonna show you guys what could fit in here so that you can get an idea of how big this thing is. So I have this little travel size deodorant that fits. I wouldn't carry that in there, but just so y'all know that fits. Then I have this little travel size deodorant. It fits, and you still have some room and stuff or whatever. Some fingernail polish, you can put that in there. I have some Mentos gum that goes in there. You still have room, and it does close. So just so y'all can see that. Let's see. Of course, we have like the Carmex and stuff. Hope y'all can see that. Seems like it's kind of blurry, but Carmex, like some matches, you can fit that in there. Y'all just have random stuff. Have some tweezers, have a little thing of what is this? Oh, some Good Girl perfume that goes in there. I have some little mini Tic Tacs. I have one, let's see, I have 3 of those that can fit in there and still have room. I have the little package hand sanitizer that can go in there. And then of course, you know, I have money. You can stick that in there. So all of that fits in this little bitty thing. So you actually can like go to the store, attach your little keys or whatever to that, and you know, run to the store, or you actually can take it to go out shopping, which you just put your cards and stuff in here. So cards do fit. So here's a couple of just random cards. They do fit in there. Put some more in here. Here are some more cards. So this is probably about 10 cards right here. So all of that fits in there. Then I have 2 of these Wet One wipes, and they fit in there also. And you still have room for like some money, some change, loose change. You can put keys in there. I have my AirPods. They fit in there as well. I think that's pretty much all that I have or whatever, but you can stick pretty much anything in there. And so I think this will be cute too if you get like a little small little puff ball and attach the little puff ball there, and then have your little keys. I mean, you can get any color, but I just had this little pink one, and you can attach your little keys to there, and that'll be cute. But like I said, it's because here's my hand. That's a nice size bag charm. So I wouldn't, me personally, I wouldn't have it hanging off of my bag because I feel like it's kind of too big. But you know, to each his own, whatever. I would just use it. It's like a little keychain or something like that. So I just want to show that to you guys and share that with you all. And oh, I want to show y'all too. Little Bath and Body Works you know, hand sanitizer will fit in there as well. Of course y'all knew that, but yeah, just want to show that to you guys. So like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.